This video is going to be about editing in your Wix website with the new setup of Editor. And it's not going to get into very much detail, it's just going to be an overview. And as you get into wanting to do more specific changes on your website, you will access the Help section, the Help menu, to find step-by-step videos and search in the Help Center so that you can find solutions to your challenges. You also have an ability to call someone at the Wix team to get some direct help. All right, so here's the main website, your home page. Here are the main navigating, editing and navigating buttons that pop up on the left. And here is the toolbar when you're editing a specific element. So every item on a page is called an element. And once you click on an element, a small menu pops up that allows you to change or edit that specific element in the way that you want it. Once you click on an element, a further list of tools pops up that you can change different things. You can copy, you can paste, you can duplicate, you can delete, you can arrange, you can align, and you can change the size or position. And you have the option to show this menu on every page. This button, Menus and Pages, is super important as it gives you the navigation of all of the pages on your website. And once we set up one of the adaptive equipment pages the way that you want it to look, we will be using that as a template for all the other adaptive equipment pages, and then just go into each individual one and edit the specific items through the Amazon affiliate. But that's going to be all those pages. There's going to be a ton of them once all of the adaptive equipment pages are added. But this is how you navigate through your website. And you can see that this is a subpage of the adaptive equipment page. And then you can see these pages have a little eye with a cross through it. That means that they're hidden from a view from a normal visitor to your website, and they only are accessed through clicking a button on the mobility page. So that's why they're hidden. It's just a setup design choice. So if you have any questions about that, please let me know. The other important item on this editing menu over here to the left is all the elements, whether it's a text box, an image box, a button, you can start them and develop them from this menu right here. So like the text box has headers, paragraphs. All of these items have themes that you can start with, and then each theme or each item can be selected and then edited. So for example, you can select text and you go through the item that you like, you find it, and you just drag it over. I'm going to go ahead and delete that because we don't actually want that. So anything you want to add, you go to the plus button over here. You go to the item that you want to add. So say I want to add a box to make the heading look a little more fancy. So I click on box. I go over here to the various boxes that are options, and I just click on one very easily, and then it puts it into the web page. And now I can grab the box and drag it anywhere I want to. I can change the size of the box. I can change the design of the box. I can drag the box. Oh, this button allows you to drag an element in a web page and still keep the setup of the web page. So see, when I drag it with this special button, it drags the whole all the items on the page along with it, so I can keep the look of the page. But we're going to go ahead and delete that because I don't want that in our website. So you can have media, add pictures from this one. You can add extra apps. This is where you access your email marketing. This is where you access your blog, bookings, content manager, background. So that's your main navigation menu over here. This is a cool item. This allows you to see the overall design of your page and kind of look at the different elements and how they look overall together. And that's a really nice thing. That's called the zoom out and reorder button. A lot of the buttons on the top are similar to the buttons as they were in the ADI format. And now we're going to click on an element and do some editing just to show you how that is. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this menu on the header, and then you can see a menu pops up, and I can navigate, change the layout, change the design. I'm going to go ahead and change the design. And this is the one that I've selected right now. And I'm going to go ahead and select this one, which is one we had before. And I'm going to go ahead and customize it. I'm going to add text, the color theme. I'm going to make it a little bigger. I think that's maybe too big. There, it's a little bigger, and I'm going to bold them so that they can be seen much better. And there you have how you can change any element in the in your website. So that is a basic overview of editing and navigating within your website.